Once you've made all your final modifications to your plan, that includes any changes to the paver types or changes to your planting or changes to your borders, you can go in and finalize your plan in the plan view by including a legend. Now our plan has gotten so full here it's going to be challenging to fit a legend on the page. We can always use the space that is represented by the house area. So let's take a look at our plan detail tab here, and let's put in our Unilock product legend. I'll click on that button and it generates a complete product listing, and it'll paste it in the middle of the page, and we get an opportunity to then position it and to place it. It's quite a long list because we've got a lot of Unilock product in this particular installation. So we can put the Unilock legend there, or we can shrink it even further and we can place it over here. And then of course we still have a planting legend to include. The planting legend maybe we can place inside the house. Here we'll do that a bit smaller and include that there. So you see when we have our planting legend, we go here, it'll give you the symbol, the quantity, the common name, and the botanical name. The nice thing is you can go into the database, and if you don't think this looks like an arborvitae but it looks more like Juniperus chinensis, then you can go in and rename that according to whatever your style is and according to whatever your area plants are. There is also a legend that shows you all the different square footages and number of accents, such as the Barcelona fireplace and the kitchen island 3. And in the database you can also go in and adjust the pricing for various objects, and it'll help you finalize a price for the entire project. Now when you go to print this, you can print it to a 24 by 36 sheet, or you can generate a PDF. You can also, in your perspective, you can go in and export a viewport to file, which when you click on that, it'll ask you for a file name, and you can put in a file name. I'll put test 1 in here, press save, and it'll ask you for the resolution size. I prefer to use 4000 by 2000 here. Set the render quality on high, click OK, and it'll take a few seconds and it'll render that. So now when I go in, I can pull up that photo and have it printed off in high res. The other thing that you can do that in the walkthrough method by pushing F5. You can go through and take snapshots all around the house.